I want to head back to the national travel scene for today because at least right now, up and down the East Coast, things are pretty quiet. But that is going to be changing, it looks like. By Sunday night and Monday, one of the computer models that we look at is developing a very powerful storm system which would impact downstate New York here, especially out on the island, and up into the New England area during that time frame. So if you happen to be traveling over the Christmas period here and you're planning on returning or maybe traveling after the holiday to the east, stay updated on the forecast because that East Coast storm could mean some business, at least across that area. Not so today, though. We do have some lighter snow showers coming down in the Midwest, and it looks like we're going to be dealing with some of this around here as we get into tomorrow afternoon. Just a fresh coating of white. We don't want any dirty snow out there, right? We're going to freshen it up for a Christmas afternoon and evening. A little bit of rain coming down here. In fact, maybe there's some heavier downpours and thunderstorms across the lower Mississippi River Valley. Looking clear in Florida. Nice weather returning to the southwest. Still some rain flirting with extreme northern California up into the Pacific Northwest, at least for today. That's your travel outlook. Let's take a look at the local region now. Southern Ontario, western New York, northern PA. Just a few flurries coming down south of the city, and they seem to be fizzling out. That's going to be the trend this morning. This stuff not putting down really any accumulating snowfall, maybe just dusting in spots. That's about it. Around the city of Buffalo and surrounding suburbs for this Christmas Eve day, we're going to be looking at a fair amount of clouds out there, and if you happen to be in the right place at the right time, you might catch a little bit of sun. At 8 o'clock, 25 degrees, 26 at noon, 28 to wrap it up at 5 p.m. And checking the super microcast for today, it's showing those flurries fizzling out across the higher terrain to the south of the region this morning. And then as we get into the afternoon hours, maybe some breaks in the cloud cover. Tonight, though, the clouds move back at us. They'll re-thicken again. And there's the possibility of some patchy freezing drizzle, maybe a few flurries, especially close to the lake shores by tomorrow morning. Now, for Christmas Day, there's going to be a chance of a few flurries around here during the morning, but during the afternoon, more snow showers. In fact, fairly widespread snow showers will start to develop across the region during the afternoon into the evening. Again, not a huge accumulation out of this, but I'm kind of upping the ante a little bit over yesterday. Maybe a dusting to an inch in spots during that time frame. And those snow showers will linger into Sunday for a fairly wintry finish to the weekend, at least scattered snow showers and a very brisk wind if you're heading out to the Bills game Sunday afternoon. Definitely a noticeable wind chill to contend with. Cloudy skies for the most part on the highways north of the city this morning on the 190 and the 290 and 990. You'll catch a few flurries maybe on the 219 and 400. Toronto bound QEW, mostly cloudy. Clouds on the thruway eastbound across Genesee County into Rochester, and perhaps a few flurries on the thruway west and the I-86, but again, very light stuff. 23 degrees at Buffalo, 24 degrees at the Falls right now, 27 by the lake at Dunkirk. Chillier at Wellsville with 20 and 19 down there at Bradford. Your Friday forecast for this Christmas Eve, a few flurries in ski country, otherwise clouds and some limited sun is possible today. High temp 25 to 29 degrees and light wind speeds. Always good to have lighter winds. That's going to be the case today. Overnight clouds thicken. Some patchy freezing drizzle is possible. A few flurries toward morning. 15 inland, 24 in the city. Then tomorrow, cloudy skies, light snow showers developing by the afternoon or getting into the afternoon. A light accumulation possible, a dusting to an inch. 25 to 29 on Sunday. We'll look for more snow showers. A brisk wind develops, 20 to 25 degrees, and pretty much the same story for Monday as well, but a big turnaround in the weather next week. Well, maybe not a huge turnaround, but at least getting a little bit better if you don't like this wintry stuff. Maybe up to 38 by next Thursday.